Hello everyone, today we are discussing some important questions from the coordinate geometry chapters. The first question is find the distance between the 1, 4 and the minus 3, 5. By using the distance formula is distance is equals to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. By using this formula, solve the questions. Find the distance is equals to, here the x1 is equals to 1 and x2 is minus 3 and y1 is 4 and y2 is equals to 5 is there. For the x1, y1 and x2, y2 values in this formula, x1 is equals to 1 is there, 1 minus and in the bracket again minus 3 whole square plus y1 is 4 minus 5 whole square. Then square root of minus into minus is a plus 1 plus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 is a minus 1 whole square. 1 plus 3 is a 4 square is 16 minus 1 square is a 1, 16 plus 1. Then the square root of 17. The distance between the 1, 4 and the minus 3, 4 is square root 17 units. Now move to the next one question. Find the distance between the distance of the point 6, 8 from the origin. From the origin, that means x2, y2 values are 0. Then the same formula also you can use, or directly you take a distance is equals to x square plus y square. Now that is equals to square root of 6 square plus 8 square. Now 6 square is 36 plus 64, that is equals to 100. Now square root of 100 is a 10 units. Distance between the origin and the 6, 8 is 10 units. Now move to the next one question. Find the coordinates of the midpoint, the line segment joining the points 2, 3 and the 4, 3 is there. By using the midpoint formula, calculate the midpoint coordinates. Midpoint is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here the x1 is equals to 2 and x2 is equals to 3 say. Sorry, x2 is 4 and y1 is 3, y2 also 3. Then the midpoint x1 is 2 and x2 is a 4, 2 plus 4 divided by 2, and y1 is 3 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 plus 4 is a 8, 2 plus 4 is a 6 and 6 by 2, 3 plus 3 is a 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are and 2 ones are 2 threes are. Then the midpoint coordinates are 3, 3. Now move to the next one If the midpoint of the line segment of the points 6, 3 and 4, y are 5, 5, then find the value of y. This is also direct questions. Here midpoint coordinates will be given that they are 5, 5. From the two coordinates, one coordinate is 6, 3 and second coordinate 4, y. Find the value of y. Account the midpoint formula x, y is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Put the value of x and y and x1, x2 in this formula. X, y is equals to 5, 5 will be given. And x1 is a 6, x2 is 4. 6 plus 4 divided by 2 and y1 is 3 and y2 is y will be given divided by 2. Now comparing these coordinates with the left side. Now we need to calculate the y value. That's why we are comparing this one to the y value. 3 plus y divided by 2 is equals to 5. After that we are transferring this 2 to this side. 3 plus y is equals to 5 into 2. And 3 plus y rate as it is 5 into 2 is a 10. And after that transferring this 3 to this side, y is equals to 10 minus 3. That is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7. Now move to the next one question. If the distance between the points P of 2, minus 3 and 10, y is 10 units. In this question, distance between the two coordinates will be given, that is 10 units. Find the value of y. This is also applied questions on the distance formula. Distance is equals to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now the distance will be given, that is 10 units, and square root of x1 is a 2 minus 10 whole square plus y1 is minus 3 minus y whole square. Take the square on both sides. After taking the square, the 10 becomes 100, and square root get cancelled each other, and remaining 2 minus 10 is 8 minus 8 square, and here minus 3 and minus y whole square. And 8 square is a 64, 100 is equals to 64. Minus 3 and minus y whole square. Take a minus sign outside, and remaining or otherwise plus minus in the bracket 3 plus y and whole square. That means this minus into minus a plus because the even is there. Then 64 you have to transfer here. 100 minus 64 is equals to, and this becomes plus 3 plus y whole square. That means this is in the form of a plus b whole square format. A square means 3 square is a 9 plus y square plus 2 into 3 is a 6y. Now 100 minus 64, remaining 36. 36 is equals to 9 plus y square plus 6y. Transferring this 9 to this side, y square plus 6y is equals to 36 minus 9, and y square is equals to y square plus 6y is equals to 36 minus 9 is 27. And this 27 transfer to this side, y square plus 64 minus 27 is equals to 0. Now we are getting the quadratic equation. Again we are factorizing this one and find the value of y here. Based on the constant term and the middle term, we split up the middle term. Here the constant term is 27 minus 27 is 3, and the middle term plus 6. 9 into 3 is a 27, and 9 plus 9 and minus 3 is a 6y. Y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equals to 0. From first two terms, we are getting the y take a common and remaining y plus 9. And here minus 3 take a common and remaining y plus 9 is equals to 0. After that we are getting the y is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 9. And the y values are 3 and minus 9. Now move to the next one question. Find the coordinates which divides the line segment 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 internally in the ratio of 3:1. This question based on the section formula. The section formula is x, y is equals to m1 plus m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. And m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Here the x1 is equals to 4 and x2 is equals to 8, y1 is equals to minus 3 and y2 is equals to 5 will be there. And m1 is 3 and m2 is 1. Put the value of x1, x2, y1, y2 and m1, m2 in this formula. m1 is a 3, that's why 3 into x2 is a 8. Plus m2 is a 1 into x1 is a 4 divided by 3 plus 1. And after that m1 again 3 into y2 is a 5 plus m2 is a 1 into y1 is minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. Then after that 3 into 8 is a 24 plus 4 divided by 4 comma 3 into 5 is a 15 1 into 3 minus 3, that's why minus 3 divided by 4. 24 plus 4 is a 28 by 4 comma 15 minus 3 is a 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4 sevens are. Now here 4 ones are 4 threes are 7 3 is a coordinates which divides the line segment in the ratio of 3:1. Now move to the next one question. Find the ratio in which the point 4, minus 4, 6 divides the line segments minus 6, 10 and 3, 8 internally. Find the ratio here. In the previous question they will ask a coordinate, but here ask a ratio. Here x, y is equals to minus 4, 6 will be given. And x1 is minus 6 and x2 is 3. y1 is 10 and y2 is minus 8 will be given. According to the formula, x, y means minus 4, 6. Minus 4, 6 is equals to m1 write as it is and x2 value is 3 will be given into 3 plus m2 is write as it is and x1 is minus 6 divided by m1 plus m2. And comma m1 write as it is and y2 is a minus 8 plus m2 write as it is and y1 is a 10 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we are comparing the any one coordinate minus 4 or 6 with this any one. Now we are taking the 6 and m1 into 8 is a minus m1 8 minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 is equals to 6. This m1 and m2 transfer to this side. Now we are getting minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 is equals to 6 m1 plus 6 m2. Now we are transferring this 6 m2 to this side and 8 m1 to this side. 10 m2 minus 6 m2 is equals to 6 m1 plus 8 m1. 10 minus 6 is a 4 m2 is equals to 6 plus 8 is a 14 m1. Now m1 by m2 is equals to 4 divided by 14, 4 ones are 2 twos are and 2 sevens are, that is equals to 2 by 7. Ratio is a 2:7. Now the ratio is 2:7 or 7:2. Anyway you have to take it. In the next video we are discussing the more questions from this chapters. Thank you everyone.